Difference between A equals B and export A equals B in bash. What's the difference between and in bash? I understand that they both define environment variables, but I don't fully understand the difference.
Export propagates the variable to subprocesses. For example, if you did, then a subprocess that checked for foo wouldn't find the variable, whereas would allow the subprocess to find it. But if foo has already been defined as an environment variable, then foo equals bar will modify the value of that environment variable. For example, older shells didn't support the export foo equals bar syntax. You had to write foo equals bar export foo.
If you don't use export, you're not defining an environment variable, just a shell variable. Shell variables are only available to the shell process. Environment variables are available to any subsequent process, not just shells.
Also, if you want to have the variable available to the calling shell without using export, you can do this. File a.ksh is. On the prompt, run this is. This will run the commands within the same shell and $foo will be available. Whereas, will make $foo available only within a.ksh, after the call to a.ksh it would not exist.
In addition to what has already been answered, both of these statements do not necessarily define, i.e. create versus set, an environment variable as it might already exist as a shell or environment variable. In the latter case, both statements are strictly equivalent.